Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. In 2026, the Apple ecosystem is more powerful than ever. And if you're in the United States, it's no surprise that millions of Americans are completely hooked. But what makes it so irresistible? At its core, the Apple ecosystem is all about seamless integration. Whether you're using an iPhone, MacBook, iPad, or Apple Watch, everything is designed to work together in a way that feels almost magical. From instantly syncing your photos across devices to effortlessly sharing files with AirDrop, Apple has created a world where your devices don't coexist, they enhance each other. For Americans, convenience and efficiency are huge priorities, and Apple nails it here. Imagine starting an email on your MacBook at work, continuing it on your iPhone during your commute, and then finishing it on your iPad at home, all without ever losing your place. Or picture tracking your health metrics on your Apple Watch, which automatically updates on your iPhone and even informs your MacBook's fitness apps. This level of connectivity makes the Apple ecosystem more than just a set of devices. It's an interconnected lifestyle that simplifies daily tasks in ways competitors still struggle to match. But the power of Apple's ecosystem isn't just about convenience. It's also about user experience and loyalty. Americans are known for valuing products that just work, and Apple delivers that consistently. Features like FaceTime, iMessage, and iCloud aren't just apps. They're bridges that connect every device seamlessly. Want to share a video with a friend? iMessage makes it instant. Need to access your work files at home? iCloud syncs everything automatically. Even security and privacy are deeply integrated, giving users confidence that their data is protected across all devices. This trust factor plays a huge role in why Americans rarely switch from Apple once they're in the ecosystem. Another reason the Apple ecosystem is so compelling in 2026 is cross-device productivity. Tools like Universal Control allow MacBook and iPad users to control multiple devices with a single keyboard and mouse. Features like handoff and continuity camera blur the lines between devices, creating a workflow that feels fluid and efficient. For busy professionals, students, and creators in the US, this translates to saved time and higher productivity, something that's hard to put a price on. It's also worth noting the psychological pull of the ecosystem. Once you've invested in multiple Apple devices, the value of sticking with Apple increases exponentially. The more devices you own, the better they work together, and the harder it becomes to switch to a competitor. This network effect is a big reason Apple maintains such a strong hold over the American market, even with premium pricing. People aren't just buying devices, they're buying a connected experience that feels effortless and intuitive. Finally, the Apple ecosystem in 2026 continues to innovate. From advanced AI features in iOS and macOS to health monitoring on the Apple Watch, Apple ensures that each device not only works well alone, but adds value to the others. For US consumers, this means that every Apple product feels like an upgrade, not just to their tech, but to their lifestyle. In short, the Apple ecosystem is powerful because it combines seamless integration, convenience, security, productivity, and loyalty into a package that no other tech company has fully replicated. For Americans, this means smoother workflows, smarter devices, and a level of ease and efficiency that keeps them coming back year after year. Whether you're a longtime Apple fan or considering joining the ecosystem for the first time, one thing is clear. In 2026, Apple doesn't just sell devices, it sells an experience that works better together. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.